Today we're going to make dumbbells out of Tupperware boxes and a bit of tubing.
These are the items you're going to need to make homemade dumbbells. 2 metal poles. I'm using aluminium tubing. 4 tubs. I'm using 5 litre size Tupperware style tubs. 8 screws. A drill bit the same size as your pole. I'm using a 32mm drill and a 32mm aluminium pole. I'm using a bag and a half of ballast and about a kilo of cement. I'm marking the pole with some scotch tape so I know how far the pole needs to go into the Tupperware pots. I'm drilling 4 holes in each pole for the screws to fix into.
I've marked it up so I know how far I want the Tupperware box to go in. And also I've drilled a hole to put a screw in so that when we put it in here then it's not going to move around when we set it in the concrete.
Drill a 32mm hole in the Tupperware lids. Put the lids over the poles. Screw the screws into the pole.
I've put the screws in and I've made sure I put the lids on because otherwise the lids won't be able to go on. Now we're going to use some ballast and cement to make some concrete.
Fill the pots with ballast and cement. I'm using 5 parts ballast to 1 part cement, so basically 5 scoops of ballast to 1 scoop of cement. That sounds like an ice cream, but a rather gritty one. Add a little water to make a slurry. That sounds a little bit like a slush puppy now, but not as colourful. Then press the lid onto the Tupperware box, making sure that the dumbbell handle is totally vertical. Now do exactly the same with another one of the plastic tubs.
Okay, I'll leave these here to set overnight.
Let them set overnight, preferably for about 24 hours.
These dried overnight, well actually 24 hours, and they're solid. I'm going to use these clamps just to hold this firmly for when I turn it up the other way it's not going to move at all.
Now for the last 2 pots, I'm going to mix the ballast and cement at the same time. I like a little bit of multitasking.
Okay, now to set the other side. We'll leave those to set. They've been setting for about 24 hours now. I've just opened this bit up, taken the lids off, just to let all the moisture out. It's a little bit damp inside, so they're still drying out. Okay, let's see what they're like. Right, let's see how much they actually do weigh.
Okay, now to test them out. They work well doing shrugs. Let's try some single arm rows. And the other side. Oh, that's a tough exercise. I'm a little bit shaky doing shoulder presses. Let's try some bench presses. And some standing shoulder presses. How about some bent over rows? And some semi-stiff leg deadlifts. I'm a little bit shaky on the shoulder presses. How about some incline bench presses? And then some lunges and some deadlifts. That's how you make some concrete dumbbells. Please subscribe and click the bell for upload notifications. Thanks for watching.